Security Manager Scott Taylor, and to Richmond County Marshal Ramon Lampkin for their presence. The holiday season really is the most wonderful time of the year, and for our holiday travelers and those who fly out of 3 commercial airports in the Southern District of Georgia throughout the year, we're here today to offer a timely reminder and to announce an effort that we believe will help improve their safety and general experience at the airports. Air travelers who are legally allowed to possess firearms can travel with their handguns, shotguns, or rifles on their flight as long as those unloaded firearms are declared at the ticket counter and checked in a locked, hard-sided container. Travelers are not, however, allowed to have firearms in their possession while entering the secured area of the airport or on the aircraft. Quite frankly, it's just easiest to leave them at home. But even so, this year at Augusta Regional Airport and other airports in the Southern District, numerous travelers were discovered to have entered the secure area of the airport while in possession of firearms. Among those individuals, the ones without a concealed carry permit were placed under arrest for carrying a concealed weapon, and that practice will continue. However, those travelers who held concealed carry permits were previously allowed to leave the airport and return without their firearms. That policy has changed. They will not be permitted to do so anymore. We've grown concerned that the number of travelers bringing firearms into the secured area has increased. And as those numbers rise, even incrementally, the delay they cause to all travelers and potential risk to safety also rises. It also increases the risk to airport personnel and law enforcement, and any individual incident with an illegal firearm creates a significant distraction to airport personnel in their important work of screening travelers for their flights in a timely and cost-efficient manner. In other words, whether through oversight or ill intent, the result is the same. Bringing a firearm into the secured area of an airport is against the law, and it creates an unnecessary additional burden on those professionals whose job it is to keep travelers safe. Think about the Augusta Airport, for example. With a limited number of lines to process travelers into the secured area, when a firearm is found, it dramatically reduces processing capacity until the issue is resolved. And that inconveniences everyone and needlessly ties up valuable staff time. In addition to being a safety concern, this costs time, money, and is an inconvenience to other travelers. So to that end, we're reminding all travelers of the importance of checking and rechecking your bags before you come to the airport to make sure your carry-on luggage doesn't contain a firearm. And to put teeth into that reminder, we're announcing a new tool for those who protect our travelers. As I noted a few minutes ago, travelers with concealed carry permits who bring firearms into the secured area of the airport previously were allowed to leave and then return without the firearm. We're ending that free pass. Each of those travelers will now receive a citation from the Federal Bureau of Investigation, charging them with a federal crime, a misdemeanor, and compelling them to appear in court and to pay a fine of up to $300. Travelers without a license will still be subject to arrest by local authorities. This is in addition to the substantial civil penalties also assessed by the TSA, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of potential expense for each violator. Our intention is that no one will violate the law without consequences. Your United States Attorney's Office will always defend the legal possession of firearms and all of our citizens' civil liberties and civil rights. And a key part of that defense is holding accountable those who disobey the law, cause undue administrative delay and expense, and put at risk the safety of other citizens. So we hope everyone will have a joyous and prosperous holiday season and New Year with a smooth, safe travel through this airport and all the others in the Southern District.